Hi everyone, this is your host. My name is Waray. If you want to watch my video, nandyan lang po sa aking likod yung pangalan ng aking YouTube channel. And for the very first time, now we have a Filipino restaurant here in Getxo. This is not very first time actually. We had also we also known one Filipino restaurant before. It was only exist for a short time, not because they don't want to continue having their business, but they have problems with the building. That's what I know. I think they were not allowed to cook, so there were misunderstanding between the Filipino who rented that building to the owner of the building because at first they were permitted to cook some food, but later on they were not allowed. So that's why they chose to close the restaurant, and I think they reopen it in their province in the Philippines. So now in this video, guys, I'm going to start featuring this restaurant here in Getxo because I witnessed the opening of their second branch. Just interest me to feature it here in my channel because they're amazing. In just 4 years, they were able to open the second branch, and this is so much inspiring for us Filipino here in Getxo. If you are just going to watch this full video of mine, and I'm going to show you also their main branch. So first, I will show you the picture of their restaurant. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna share it on the screen. Here is it. So this one. It amazed me the way that they have the name of the restaurant. Gusto ko. I like it. I love the food prepared in this restaurant. I like it. So gusto ko. It's easy to remember. It's easy to understand what is the meaning or why the name of the restaurant is like this. Because if you dine in, you will really like their food. So that's why gusto ko. Gusto kong bumalik, gusto kong mag-dine in muli, gusto kong mag-invite ng mga friends. So that's gusto ko. It's so amazing. So now I'm going to tour you to some of their, or I'm going to present to you some of their menu. Like for example, their fish, the way they prepare their fish. This one, the rapi. Rapi in salsa verde. It's Spanish typical. That's a rapi, the ugly fish. I called it ugly fish, but delicious. Ugly ang itsura niya pero masarap. So now, check this out. This is their rear cook steak or rare steak. So hindi po ito well done, kaya nga rear. Rear is not well done. It's half cook. Rear cook steak. I think this is the best seller in Gusto Ko Bar. I'm not sure, but I think for me, kasi lagi nilang ina-upload itong mga ganito. So these are their starter. Starter is yung bago ka kumain ng main course, you have to start with picar, with the finger food. Starter, appetizer, so whatever you call it. So, meron din silang lutuan, mira, yung tentacles ng octopus. At itong pinapakita nilang karne, dito nang galing yung rear steak. Now, guys, let's go to their second branch. So, second branch is magugulat din kayo kasi napaka easy to remember din ang kanilang pangalan ng second branch. So, this is it. At dito, kaya ko ito feature kasi pumunta ako dito nung nag-opening. So nakita ko how busy the people are, especially yung mga crew nila, mga smiling faces. Yung may-ari po ay nandyan sa loob, yung nasa door. Sila po yung couple na may-ari ng Balayko. And Balayko is easy to remember. Why? Because Balayko is a house. Alam naman natin lahat, mabisaya ka man, ma-Ilocano ka man, matagalog ka man, you would really understand what is balay. Balay is the house. And it's amazing name. Why? Because aside from the, easy to remember, you would really feel at home kapag mag-dine in ka dito. Kasi nandun nga kami ng opening. That's why you need to watch the full video kasi makikita ninyo yung mga ilang parts na aking na-capture kasi hindi talaga ako makapag-video ng maayos kasi nga ang daming tao ng opening. So yun po. At let us check kung meron silang mga mga ino-offer na food dito. Ayan. This is their tomato salad. Simple lang. It's only tomato, onion, and cheese. White cheese. So ito yung kanilang, what do you call this? Tentacles ito eh. With potato or mashed potato. Yung side dish. So ito yung kanilang maliit na bar. Unlike dun sa main branch nila, napakahaba talaga ng kanilang bar. So yun guys, so maybe you need to check this out. Kasi in the future, I'm trying to have an appointment with the owner para i-tour po tayo nila sa kanilang business. Kung bakit sila successful sa kanilang restaurant. And I could say that they are successful kasi sabi nga nila, hindi ka magiging successful o hindi ka pwedeng tawaging successful ka sa business if hindi ka nakapag-open ng second branch. In just 4 years, nakapagbukas na sila ng second branch. Kaya for me, they are really successful. And yan ang aalamin natin dahil kung mapagbibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon to talk with the owner, ipi-feature po natin at marami po tayong katanungan kung paano, how to be you, sabi nga nila, di ba? How to be you. So maganda yon na bigyan tayo ng mga inspiring words or wisdom ng may-ari kasi matututo tayo kung paano nila na-achieve yung kanilang tagumpay. So yun po, abangan and it will be soon. Dito kami ngayon sa bagong bukas na restaurante ng mga Filipino. So, ang second branch ng Gusto Ko Bar. So, Balayko Bar. Kagabi nasa Gusto Ko Bars kami. Ngayon naman, nasa Balayko Bar kami. Balay. Actually, yung na minsan, yung dilantal. Balay ang tatak.
Balay kasi bahay yan.
Balay is house. Because balay in Samar is balay, is house. We call it balay. Hola, Joy. Hola, G. So, ayan po ang mga fans. Ayan. Ito yung aming president and our vice president. Hola, otra vez andito yung ang aming masipag na treasurer. Tama ba, treasurer? Kita-kits ulit tayo. Ayan. Wala po. So, dito muna tayo. Siyempre, makakarating ito. Si Undia. Ay, ang saya-saya kagabi.
Parang kagabi lang yun ba yan?
Oo nga. Sa Gusto Ko Bar. Nililito niyo ako eh. Ang gaganda ng mga kuha ng picture. Super duper ang lilinaw. Editing pa.
Pag may pangit ako, alisin mo na.
Ang gwapa ng mga receptionists. Di ba? Parang mga stewardess. I have to say. Meron pa tayong pag-uusapan. Uy, los martes vamos a quedar, ¿vale? ¿Cuál es tu horario? Jueves. Vale. Ganda rin, Jovelyn. Joby, es tu novio ahí. ¿Cuál es? Sí.
Gustavo, ya te reclaman.
Sí. Introduce to me. Oye. Kabili sa bahay. Ay! Iya pala. Mas... Nakachismis. Kasi nakita ko yun eh. Un día quedamos, vale? Saan tayo saan? Ito? Dito para kita. So ito po yung aking anak-anakan na nagbantay sa akin sa ospital. Napakaganda. Ayan. So siya ngayon dito ang usherets. Ayaw niya. Napagod kagabi sa doon. So ayun, welcome. Kung dito ginanapsan, okay din lang. Diba? Ha? DJ, you did a good job. Ang gaganda ng mga pictures and video. Super. Kung dito ginanap, okay din lang. Kasi So, ito tour. Hola. Este es mi como hija. Sí. Ay, guapo,
¿Eres español?
¿Eres español?
De Bolivia.
Muy guapo. Match kayo. ¿Quién es más alto? A ver. Good match. Good match. Hola. Hoy, ¿dónde está tu biso? Dame tu biso, por favor. Ahora
¿Qué quieres tomar?
Congratulations! Congrats! Kung dito ginanap kagabi, okay din. Wala. Magwapo sa kamarero eh. Jerry. Ayan. So, the Madam of Getcho. Ano po ang masasabi nyo na nakasecond na kayo ng biyaya? Después de 2 años.
No, magka-4 na doon.
Mira, parang ano lang parang 2 years lang ang nakalipas. Ayan. Manghingi ako ng inspiration para ma-inspired ang mga Filipino na gayahin ang aming Madam Jocelyn.
Andyan yung mga
Sige, go muna.
yung tumulong sa akin.
Bale. Sige, order lang kayo. So, ito yung bar nila.
Diyos daw kay Ema, Diyos.
Ganda.